So during this part, it's using S3 JSON to store stuff because it doesn't need to be. Well, it's not even vectorized at this point. It's just a graph. So I mean, this makes perfect sense to use S3 JSON. And then when the AI agents are actually doing their thing, the chat or the icebreaker, that is when it uses the S3 vector bucket to do semantic search, which is amazing. Because that's why I used Weaviate, was you could do semantic search on Weaviate. Because semantic search is how the LLM searches for things using more than just like keywords. I want to buy a hat. It could obviously go and look for anything with the word hat. But what about I want something to go with my jeans? Maybe it'll go and search for denim jackets or belts or something. But if it didn't have semantic search and you said, I want something to go with my jeans, it would have to rely more on using like product descriptions where jeans are mentioned, like maybe go to the jeans product and maybe in the description it's like this goes well with a belt. And so then it would see that and give you a belt. But with semantic search, it already knows that jeans can go with a belt or boots or something. So it would already know that and search for it based on like the knowledge base it has. That's why semantic search is so important. That's why S3 vector buckets, the new S3 option, is really cool. And then this is a bunch of stuff. I'm not going to bother looking at that. Wait, what is this? Regular. This thing is formatted. It's hard to read that. Vectorized pi embed store. I'm going to end the stream in a second. Vectorize the right path, blah, 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 before, after. Okay. Man, this is going to be good. I hope this actually turns out to be the move. It probably will be the move. The entire catalog is flat text. Oh, so this is just because before I had it was like silently broken in a way because it wasn't even doing semantic search. It was just reading. And so the agent for a while was, for a few weeks or maybe a month and a half, I unknowingly had a way stupider AI because I had made this mistake where it was reading stuff without semantic search. Just to show you how important semantic search is, or just to explain. Okay. Oh. So the DynamoDB stuff had it running really fast, but it was stupid. So this crazy fast latency is appealing at first glance, but it was stupid. But I mean, even with Weaviate, it was running pretty fast. Because 400 to 700 milliseconds is fast. It's faster than all of the competing apps against my app Quake. All of those apps take longer than this to reply. So recently, my app was insanely fast, faster than it even should have been, but it was stupid because it had no semantic search. Adding semantic search in with S3 vector bucket, it's still going to be fast. So, because this was already fast, this is lightning fast, and this was just like impossibly fast. So it'll be lightning fast. Yeah. It looks definitively faster than using Weaviate, especially because Weaviate is not on AWS, so the communication back and forth is just, it takes longer. There is Weaviate on AWS though, but I don't know. So the LLM is usually the thing that really takes a long time and that's why my app is better than most other chatbots on the Shopify App Store, because Quake has an LLM processing speed of 250 milliseconds, which is insanely fast. And I basically have like a trick that makes it go that fast. And I don't know if I'm ever going to show that on stream. I probably will, just because it's impossible to hide it on stream. But usually this is like a full second of processing. Like it's way more than 250. It's usually like 600, 800, or even over a full second. So when I made that change, it really made everything like so much faster, bro. And that's why now I'm focused on stuff like this, like the difference between 15 and 100 or 100 and 200, because the LLM used to be the only thing that really slowed it down.